I'm not using any filter, ha. Look at me. Look at me. This is how your face glow using the collagen. No filter at all. Yan, sa kapangyarihan lang yan ng ating collagen, toner, at saka niacinamide serum. But right now, we'll drink this. Time check, it's 6:51 in the morning. Look at me. Look at me. Oh, diba? Malakas ka na ora. Kaya mo yan. Okay, ito. Bottom up. Oh, diba? Pang Barbie. Pang Barbie na orahan, day. It makes your skin glow. It makes your skin smoother. No wrinkles. No blemishes. No dark spot. Oh. Sarap. Kung gusto nyo din mag-glow yung skin nyo, katulad nito, katulad sa akin, take this collagen, guys. 1 week pa lang yung take nito, ha. Tapos sabayan na ng toner at saka niacinamide serum. Check out now on my yellow basket. Thank you so much for watching.